Hello all, I'm Dr. Sarika Zavre, Head Computer Engineering Department, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, I'm going to show the demonstration of Jira. In my previous video, I have explained about the what is Jira, what are the features, what is the role of Jira in agile processes, and how it helps to have the successful agile methodology. So in this video, I'm going to show you the demonstration of a Jira tool, how exactly it works. For that, I have downloaded the trial version of a Jira. So I'll show you the demonstration. So first of all, this is already I have created. I will show you from the start how to create and how to go ahead for this. So welcome to Jira Service Management. So what sort of services it provides that we can see from here. So now I'll show you the demo, like how to create the first project. Suppose I am a project lead and I am having one particular project which is completely finalized, and I am having 10 members suppose with me. So how can I allocate the work to them and how can track that? We'll see from this. So okay, so they are asking select a template type that suit to your team. So what sort of a tool I am having? If you can see IT service management or general service project is there, external service project means there may be possible key there collect a bug report and answer customer questions suit teams who wants a branded support experience. Means suppose I am giving this as outsourcing, I am outsourcing that particular service, so that they are having the template. Then HR service project, then facilities service project, legal service likewise, because it is going to support for, because I software is also having the different category, what type of software we are going to prepare and what is the, what we can say, category of that software. Based on that, we have to select this particular, or project leader has to select this particular, manager has to select the template. Suppose recommended for IT teams, we considered here suppose a IT team. Now we'll see what is next there. So name it suppose ITSM project. So I can change this name. Demo project, we can give the name. So they have taken the DP as a short form for this. And now if I click IT service management, what they have mentioned here: handle service requests, resolve incidents, approve changes, and fix problems more efficiently than ever. Okay, here again I'm having the scope to change the template. Now I'll click on create a project. Take a little bit time because it's a free version and it's online updations are there. Okay, see if you can see my first project comes here. Okay, what they're asking: welcome to your work. This is overview of your project. When you create project or you are added to someone else, you will see them all here. So here I am having the scope to add my team members, isn't it? Because in that particular group, I am having the number of people with me as my team members. So can so that I can add them and I can see. So what is there? I'll just check it. Can see. Next, suppose your service project is ready to use, select it to jump in and start exploring. Okay, so my project, whatever I have created, it's okay. It's created now. So now I can use it. Okay, if I click OK here, so suppose this is my current project, which I have just now I have created in front of you. So take a tour to learn the basics. So everything they have given here. So let us go share guide IT service manager in Jira service management. Take a tour if you can give. Create request on behalf of your customer. So because as I already explained in my video that Jira involves the customer also. So while creating the people, if you can see this. Okay. So I'll just stop here. So if I create here, so app people, you just see the app. So start your team, add a people to Jira, search people, because in my video I have explained, because one project lead is there and he may have 100 people in different projects, working on different projects, and he is the manager of all that project. So it's difficult for him to remember each and every one, isn't it? And so in that case, he can keep track on their work by making use of different options. Okay, so here they have given this dashboard. So create your dashboard. So we have already created the dashboard. So filters also we can add for searching the different things. Then project, what sort of a project are, because as I'm logging from my login, so they are showing you are having the two projects under you, isn't it? So view projects, if I click, so both the projects they will display this both the project, and leader is Sarika Jhavre, Sarika. So likewise I can change it, right? See, classic service project, the previous project which I have tried was the classic service project, and this is the first project, suppose. Then your work. Now, in this case, if you can see on boards, this particular project is there, and in that they are having the scope to add. Okay, so unsigned users, because I have not created the users. So from that, I can assign the role to this in progress. So which project is in progress, that status appears over there. So likewise, this is the roadmap. Everything means what exactly as a project manager I need at the end of day. See, just like this, February, what is the month, quarterly, weekly, what will be the status of this particular project, and along with that project, who is the responsible from my team members. That also I can what we can say, select over here. Even I am having the option to select this, sorry, share this with my seniors, because whatever the seniors of that organization, they must know what is going on from my side also, and I must know what is there going on under my team. So everything related to that project will be visualized. So overall, if you can see this particular software, it is nothing but a tool which helps the project management process to work efficiently. So instead of manually he has to remember project number one, this 10 people, project number two, he this 4 people, something something, and their name, assign work, because what is the timeline of that, everything. So to avoid this thing, this software is used. Similarly, different softwares are also available, like a Kanban is also there. Then for agile methodology support, Kanban is also there. So in extreme programming also, the different tools are available. So based on the nature of the project, they are selecting this particular tools. So this is overall about the Jira tool. Thank you all.